In terms of what IBM bring for networking maintenance, we are a very large organisation, but we're scalable and we're flexible. We are very competitive in terms of our ability to deliver a flexible solution. So if you are a small client and a small client that wants a very bespoke managed service, we can do that. If you're a very large customer and you need end-to-end solution, we can do that as well.
IBM offers the software support for various customers. They're unique in the way that often in today's environment, networks are quite broad. They encompass a number of different vendors. IBM is a great company for encompassing all those vendors in a one-stop shop.
We do feel we're competitive in a lot of areas in networking. The reason we do that is we develop the relationships with the vendors to such an extent where we make sure we get the best deal from them and we pass that on to our customers. We do that in the right way as well. We make sure that we work very closely with the vendors to make sure everything's supported correctly. And in addition to that, we make sure our engineers, our skilled professionals are trained to the level where they can support the product correctly. In addition to that, we have accreditations with the manufacturers that we keep up to date to maintain our gold certification and our vendor certifications.
Well, IBM is, in the example of Cisco, IBM is a gold partner, and that gives us significant advantage to other people in this market space, because we have a great relationship with Cisco, we have direct access to TAC, we have a significant volume of networking engineers that are accredited with Cisco accreditation, right up to CCIE, CCNP and CCNA, and the same goes for other partners such as Nortel.
What we do is we provide our knowledge, our intellectual property to IBM, who create a service offering out of it called Managed Maintenance Solution for Cisco products, which represents the best of both companies for the end user. So the end user knows that they can contact IBM, but also they are getting access to Cisco technology, Cisco engineers and Cisco intellectual property. And that is why Cisco and IBM, together with our networking knowledge and IBM's consulting, IT capabilities and all of the skills that they have, represent the best partnership for customers in the marketplace.
We actually have a very large organisation infrastructure from a technical point of view and technical capability in Cisco, Nortel, Juniper and other specific niche product sets that sit in the networking arena.
Well, I think one of the key things that the relationship delivers to us in terms of maintenance and support is the sheer scale and reach of IBM and their capability and expertise. That's something which we value very much and which our customers and IBM customers value very much. If you look at the broad definition of service, IBM have a mantra of delivering excellence to their customers, and I think that's without parallel in the industry.
A customer has an issue and they can come direct to IBM, who can resolve their software issues as well as look into network hardware issues or server issues. IBM has fantastic resource, technical ability that they can draw upon and often get a very quick response to the customer and escalate to various vendors on the customer's behalf if that is needed.
IBM has the ability to combine networking support with support for other platforms as well. So for example, we have many large customers where we're both the data center supporter and also the networking supporter. So to have it all under one roof with a single supplier gives a lot of benefit to the customer, not least in negotiating contracts and managing contracts, but also having a single supplier to go to and to partner with ongoing in the future.
With customer networks, the demands are always changing. The platforms that have been there over the last sort of 5 or 6 years are fairly resilient, but new technologies are moving towards data and voice convergence. So what you're really looking at is basically an infrastructure that you need to have the skills to be able to deliver a support organisation that can help customers find where their problems are.
Well, the feedback that we get from clients is that they're very enthusiastic about the kind of relationships they can build with the people that they work with in IBM. So they've got an account manager, they've got access to our technical people, so they can actually pick up the phone and they can talk to someone technical that understands their network and knows their problem, and is going to own it and oversee it until the end of the call.
What I also think we do well is we talk to our clients regularly, we solicit feedback, and we make sure we not only support them where they are today, but we partner with them to get a vision for the future and where they want to take their business.